We couldn't stretch him to 15.
That's the only one y'all got? I don't know.
6 pound, 1 ounce.
I mean, you get big fish price too.
8 o'clock this morning.
Huh?
Called at 8 o'clock this morning. It's the only one he caught.
On top water, it's when they was jumping.
Should stay up there in that moss.
I don't know.
Nice fish.
Yeah.
When you catch those, you put that on the top water.
Last tournament,
Yeah, I didn't get nothing.
and you didn't catch any fish.
Muskie, 32 inches long.
Did you get a picture of it?
No.
Turkey? How could you do that?
Not one.
Get that.
298.
There you go.
Darryl, here you go.
There you go, Darryl.
Yeah. It's our first day. This is it.
How come you didn't stop and say metal brackets on or something? Well, I was going to stop, but Diane was right on my rear end.
We're having some
How you doing? Good.
Which one's ours?
No. Well, Chip says man.
Where's Mom? With Brenda?
Yeah, Brenda.
These look nice. I do too. I thought we had.
Well, Buzz, this is our first day. What do you think about it?
You don't want to
Ask me tomorrow.
Ask you tomorrow.
How y'all doing? Y'all had to wait longer for them, you did me.
Let's see, it's 79 degrees. 79 degrees.
This is the first time nobody.
We got a cabin number 9 this year.
We got a truck sitting behind a turned over tank.
And
Okay, is it 4:50? Nah, the date's wrong. It's 4:10 in it.
yeah.
And it's 6:37. My date and time's all wrong.
How come?
Well, somebody tell me something.
It is cold.
Here we are. We waited 7 months for this.
We're all wrapped up like a Eskimo.
And here we are, 7 months. We were fishing again. Patoka Lake. How many fish we got in the bucket today?
Try to count them, Buzz.
15, 16?
I said 15.
Well, Mom has, see, we started Saturday. We had 35 people at the cabin because Mom invited the whole family.
Well, I'm a good guesser.
We got 15 in there, and Sunday,
We had 45 people.
But the-
Everybody went home mad.
but Saturday,
We've been fasting all week because Mom let them eat all our food.
You don't let them. They just got in the refrigerator and got it.
you better watch my corks.
Watch your own cork.
Well, I'm filming. I can't watch my corks, and you.
I'll watch your pole. I'll grab the pole that goes in.
So Saturday and Sunday, it was fishing was very poor.
Yeah.
Wasn't it, Buzz?
Yeah, it was really poor.
Then Monday we caught what? About 32. Johnny caught a bunch off the bank. Every time he catch one, he'd go, "Woo, woo! Ain't this fun?"
But totally, this is Wednesday, so for the whole week we've caught about 50.
No, he caught more than that. More than that.
You a bite?
Yes, I have.
I'd say we caught more like about 75.
You got one? What is it?
Crappie.
Crappie? What's that? We had how many in there? 16?
Say 15.
15, that's 16.
He's not as big as the rest of them.
Well, they're biting slow, I'll tell you that.
It's cold.
Yeah?
Why, this poor thing's done got a hook in his throat. Look,
You look cold.
look.
What?
He's already got a hook in his throat. Looks like he'd learned something.
Well, he's a hungry one, ain't he?
Look,
What kind of line is that? Huh?
I don't know, but it's caught in his throat.
Well, I'll be.
Here, bud.
How long has it been in there?
Well, now, ask him.
That looks like a nylon line.
Look, it's got a hook in there.
Well, take it out.
Let him go.
I can't see your face. Take that hood off.
You ain't seeing my face.
Huh?
You don't need to see my face.
Why?
Because it's in bad shape.
I'm telling you.
Real bad shape.
Well, what have you got to say about this trip so far? We like to froze to death this morning.
Well, for the first 3 days, it was a mess. I mean...
Man, it stormed yesterday.
Oh, tell us about it.
Yes.
Tell us about yesterday.
No, you tell.
Who wants the honors? Somebody's got it. She's got another one.
They're back on. No, I'm not.
Is that a crappie?
Yeah.
How come you're the only one catching?
Because I'm on film.
Oh, I got a bite.
Yeah, you got a bite.
I got a bite.
Move back in, y'all.
Oh, I missed it. I missed it. Daggone it.
Chip's only caught 3.
I gotta put this on. Oh.
Okay, it's recording, Chip.
Can you see me, or is the sun in the...
I can see you pretty clear.
I bet I'm real dark, ain't I?
No, not really.
No.
You should get a real good picture of him because he's so
I
clean.
thought since the sun was kind of behind me, my face was...
See if you can get that brown spot right here.
Oh, hey.
How about...
Yesterday,
What?
it came up a storm. That was Tuesday. This is the one that probably turned some trailers over and had some tornadoes in Kentucky. And we was out in the middle of the lake. Lightning came up, black clouds. Gotta watch my course. So we got out of the boat, we found a little cave up on the bank. And we climbed in there and sat there. It rained pretty good, and lightning struck real close by us because we could see it and hear it. Then we decided it was almost over, and then we seen some more black clouds coming through, lightning. Buzz said, "We can make it." We was going to go back up on the bank and get back in the den, but Buzz said, "We can make it." So we started off, and it got so black that the light at the ramp came on. It's a good thing it did, because I couldn't see the ramp. I put my goggles on, and they're fogged up when it's dry, much less when it's... And we started across the lake as fast as we could. I couldn't see where I was going. Rain hit me in the face, and it started hailing.
Golf ball size, I'll tell you.
I don't know how big they were, but they were beating me in the face. They were cold, too. And all I could see was a little light there at the ramp, and I just aimed for the light. And we got there, jumped out of the boat, ran and got in the truck. And that was yesterday. That was rough.
It was. Bad day.
And this morning it was cold. I like to froze to death. So, we've caught about
75.
No, 75.
You had 50 and you've got
60.
18.
We've caught about 70 so far this week.
You can't count the first 3 days. It was a joke. Really.
Get a shot at him. Keep that up for the fish. You scare the fish away.
Hello, everybody. That's it.
Let's see you catch another crappie.
Mom, tell them about Chip crapping on the woods.
Oh, turn that off. No, we'll forget about that.
Well,
How big is he?
16.
Turn him sideways. No, the other way. Yeah, that's a good one. Put him back.
Okay. Minutes out.
Put the minnows out.
Oh, I haven't got a bait. Go away.
Give me 1, 2. Okay, last attempt on crappie.
Today.
Today. Last attempt.
You guys moving.
I think they're going in.
Water's getting calm again. Hmm?
Today.
You all do it. I'm busy.
Well, let's tell us about the week.
Yeah, tell them how good it was, bud.
You can talk about it. You're on camera.
Yeah, you're on camera.
Camera. Tell them about today, Mom.
I'm cooking. You all do that. Chip, you can talk.
Today was the worst day we have.
Yep.
Lousy. Caught 8 fish.
All day long.
8 fish in 8 hours.
What's it look like being on TV?
Look like I got a flat tire. I'm a star. The star is born.
Bless the food, Lord.
Mom's ready.
Ready for what?
To eat. I'm gonna eat. About to eat with blindfolded.
What are we eating?
Pork chops, and mashed potatoes, and green beans, and asparagus, and onions, and tomatoes.
Well, let's
That
see
sound
it.
enough?
Whoa, what happened?
All right, we got what? Pork chops,
Uh-huh. Mashed potatoes, tomatoes and onions,
Green beans.
asparagus, green beans, and you're not gonna have no mashed potatoes if you don't come on.
Buzz gonna get it on?
He's gonna get it all. He don't wait for no one.
Asparagus. I ain't had asparagus for a while.
It's good.
Yeah, I'll try a couple.
It's good.
It's our cabin. Our log cabin.
Roughing it this time.
It's warm.
Look at the nice kitchen. Show it without me in it.
We roughed it this time.
We got doors going outside here to a deck. Show the rest of it later. Well, Buzz, this is our last day. It's Saturday. To sum it all up, how would you sum it?
It's been a lousy week. Terrible week.
Terrible week.
Terrible week. Rain, snow, sleet. Not a very good average for 3 people.
No. I guess
3 people and $600. It's not a good average.
very true.
Here it is starting to rain now. Starting to drizzle right now. Cloudy. Wind whipping. And no bites.
What's the water temperature?
Water temperature's 63.1.
There's a bass over there.
63.1. And we're not catching any fish.
Not catching nothing.
There's a bass just come off that muddy bank.
This is a calm slough here, but it is really windy
Out on the lake.
out on the main lake, and that's out there.
Well, I picked up something pulling in.
Oh, she's got a fish.
What's that?
A little bass, huh? Every time.
Tom's mess.
Turn the camera on, we catch a fish.
Keep it
A little bass, huh?
That's it.
Yeah, I can almost see it.
Oh, I got a crappie in there. Well, it's about straight again.
Well, we did catch some big bass, a couple of over 15-inch,
on. Yeah, we caught a couple of them.
and they were up in the shallow water and up on the bank, real shallow, and the water temperature was between 58 and 60 degrees up there. Also caught some, or saw some big carps up there in the shallows. But the crappie all week long hasn't turned on, and its water temperature's been in the low 60s, isn't it?
Yeah, low 60.
So, second week of April is no good. I'm going on record as saying that, so next time,
Yeah, please.
if I review this tape, I'll know not to come the second week in April. For some reason, they should be biting, but they're not. Just
I
not.
should be hitting good today. I am about ready to hit the road. Completely.
I got a cork under, and
That's a crappie bite too.
We're gonna lose a fish filming.
Don't lose a fish.
it's a bass. Oh. Catch him. I got a bass while I was filming. Little bass. Well, that'll fillet.
Anything will fillet this week we've had.
We're just filleting our minnows, yeah.
Should be hitting.
Yeah,
This-
this
this-
is the warmest day.
It's a warm, beautiful
it's the
day.
warmest day we've had.
They just ain't biting. I don't
Crappie
know.
not hit. Bass ain't turning on that well. I mean, we ain't fast.
What do you think, Mom?
If they're still dropping the water, it's not even going to be any good.
I don't think it's dropping. I think it's just
Dropping the water.
If they're still dropping the water,
the weather change.
you know they're dropping it wood.
How come I always see the back of your head in this thing?
Well, because they don't want you to, it looks fair in my face.